Get over here, Logan.
Walk the catwalk, buddy.
Get over here.
It's time to work the runway, buddy.
Come here, Logie. I see you. I see you.
Where'd your clothes go?
Where's Mommy? Peekaboo! Hi, Logie.
It's a nice outfit, right? I see your booty.
I see Logan. Go get him. Get him. I got you.
Aw, big hug.
Got you. Ah!
Go get him, Logan. Go get him.
Logan, you look adorable.
You're a goofball.
Eh. Yeah? Is he in the house? Whoa.
Go get him, Tyler.
I get tackled by Logie.
Go get him. Give mommy kisses. Give her kisses.
Oh, you helped me up? Okay. Pull. Pull harder. Mommy's heavy.
Help her up.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Oh, you're so
Oh.
blessed.
Thank you.
You should do some burpees.
Logan, why are you walking like that?
Do a burpee.
And the whiting's back. Okay, honey.
You guys could kill me.
I'll get you some water. I'll get you some water. Are you really thirsty? Are you just so thirsty? Are you so thirsty? Okay. Okay. I love you. Tyler, go pick it up.